How to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have updated your Instagram app to its latest version. Now your home page appears. At the top right corner you can find that messenger icon, tap on it. Now your chat session appears. Now open the conversation in which you want to turn on the Vanish mode. I'm gonna open this one. Now over here you cannot find the option for Vanish mode, but what you have to do is you have to swipe up in this way, and here you have just turned on Vanish mode for this conversation. Now you can just send the message. After that person sees this message and close the chat, the message will disappear. This is very easy and quick process. This is how you turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. I hope now you guys are clear about it. Likewise, you can apply the same process and turn on Vanish mode for other conversations as well. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.